Welcome to Tat Sat, your channel for timeless stories from the Puranas and Vedas. Today we bring you the story of the Sudarshan Chakra, the divine discus of Lord Vishnu. This tale from the Vishnu Puran reveals the origin and significance of this celestial weapon and how it symbolizes righteousness and cosmic balance. Long ago, after defeating many Asuras, Lord Vishnu realized he needed a weapon that could protect dharma, and ensure cosmic order. He decided to perform tapasya to please Lord Shiva and seek his guidance. Moved by Vishnu's devotion, Lord Shiva appeared and said, "Vishnu, I am pleased with your penance. What boon do you seek?" Vishnu replied, "O Mahadeva, grant me a weapon powerful enough to annihilate evil and protect dharma." Lord Shiva smiled and instructed Vishnu to visit the celestial architect, Vishwakarma, to forge the ultimate weapon. Vishwakarma, the celestial architect, began crafting the Sudarshan Chakra. He used the energy of the sun, Surya, the sharpness of wind, Vayu, and the brilliance of fire, Agni. After days of intense creation, the Sudarshan Chakra emerged, a blazing discus with 108 serrated edges radiating divine energy. When Vishnu received the Sudarshan Chakra, it merged with him, becoming an extension of his will. The chakra was not just a weapon, but a cosmic force, representing time, kal, and dharma. It could cut through anything, destroy adharma, and return to its master's hand effortlessly. To test the weapon, Vishnu summoned a powerful Asur army. With one command, the Sudarshana Chakra annihilated the Asuras, leaving no trace of their existence. It was clear this was no ordinary weapon but the very essence of divine justice. The Sudarshan Chakra symbolizes protection, justice, and the destruction of evil. In the Vishnu Puran, it is described as the ultimate weapon, reminding us that dharma will always prevail over adharma. This timeless story from the Vishnu Puran reminds us of the importance of dharma and the divine forces that protect it. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Subscribe to Tat Sat for more stories from the Puranas, Upanishads, and Vedas. Om Tat Sat.